Hello, welcome back to AJ and Learn. Today, I want to show you how to find and put that URL into the piece of code. Sometimes we get this really great piece of code and we're like, oh my God, where do we get a URL for the image? So the example I like to use is sometimes I like to change a logo on one page. So for example, white looks good here, does not look great here, can't see it. So let's say that I want to replace the logo on this page. Let me actually start with the first step. So go over to, you're in the website tab, scroll down to website tools, custom CSS. I like to click at the very top of the CSS panel. If you have some other CSS in here, I just kind of like enter it down, get it out of the way, keep my cursor at the top. Click this custom files that I feel like is kind of hiding. You would want to add images or fonts, find the file you want to use. I already have mine here. Once it uploads, it'll still look just like this. You choose it, it's going to stay like this. You're going to need to click on it, nothing happens. Click out of it, and there it is. So there is your URL. So go ahead and copy that. And you don't need to leave it in the custom, like in the CSS panel. This is just like an easy internal way to get it. So you're not having to host that URL somewhere else. Okay, so for example, for this particular piece of code, it's going to go over here in the page header code injection. I'm really quickly going to, this is where it always gets a little like, I'm going to paste my URL here just to have it. And I'm going to copy over the actual code. This is the example I used in the post. So there's the code. Let me grab my URL again. There's a lot of like copy, paste, copy, paste. You want to paste the URL between the brackets. So make sure to, or not brackets, the quote marks. So keep those there. So I just highlight where it says URL, paste my new URL that I just pulled from that CSS panel, click save, and now it's going to show up. So this will work for any piece of CSS. I use this sometimes. I'll put some examples in the post about replacing images on a page, or like this example, logos on the page, etc. So plenty of ways you'll need to use this, but it's super simple. It's much easier than uploading it like somewhere else on the internet, getting the URL. Just do it this way, super quick and easy.